Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can log in to your NatWest Bank online banking account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, you'll have to open a web browser on your PC. Now on the top search bar, type www.natwest.com. After pressing the enter key, you'll be led to the official website of NatWest Bank. On this page, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see a login button. Click on it and you'll be redirected to a new login page. You can log into your NatWest Bank online banking account by two ways, either by entering your customer number or your card number. If you choose the card number option, you'll have to enter the 16-digit card number across the front of your debit or credit card. But here I'm going to log in using my customer number, which is your date of birth followed by your unique identification number. If in case you've forgotten your login details, click on this Forgot Your Login Details link and follow through the process to retrieve your login details. But if not, simply click on this Continue button and you can follow through the given process in order to log into your NatWest Bank online banking account. So it is that easy, and if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.